Welcome to our channel. Today, we embark on an exciting journey into the realm of humanoid robots. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of these advanced machines that closely resemble humans. Let's dive in. What are humanoid robots? Humanoid robots are machines designed to mimic human characteristics and behaviors. They are crafted to resemble the human body structure, with a head, torso, arms, and legs. These robots are equipped with sophisticated sensors, actuators, and artificial intelligence algorithms that enable them to interact with the environment and perform human-like tasks. Applications of humanoid robots. Humanoid robots have a wide range of applications across various fields. Here are a few notable examples. Assistive robotics. Humanoid robots can assist people with disabilities or limited mobility. They can help with tasks such as carrying objects, providing companionship, or aiding in daily activities. Healthcare and rehabilitation. In healthcare settings, humanoid robots can support medical professionals in tasks like patient monitoring, therapy, and rehabilitation exercises. Their human-like interaction capabilities make them valuable companions for patients. Education and research. Humanoid robots are utilized in educational settings to teach programming, robotics, and other STEM subjects. They also serve as research platforms for studying human-robot interaction and social behaviors. Entertainment and hospitality. These robots are employed in the entertainment industry, theme parks, and hotels to entertain guests, provide information, and offer interactive experiences. Industrial and manufacturing. Humanoid robots can assist in industrial settings, performing tasks such as assembly line work, heavy lifting, or hazardous operations. They can enhance efficiency and safety in manufacturing processes. Technological advancements. Over the years, technological advancements have played a crucial role in the development of humanoid robots. Artificial intelligence. AI algorithms enable humanoid robots to perceive and interpret the environment, learn from data, and make intelligent decisions. This allows them to adapt to changing situations and interact with humans more effectively. Sensing and perception. Humanoid robots are equipped with various sensors such as cameras, depth sensors, and touch sensors. These sensors enable them to perceive the world, recognize objects, and interact with humans through touch. Actuation and mobility. Advanced actuation systems and locomotion mechanisms allow humanoid robots to move more naturally and perform complex actions. This includes walking, grasping objects, and even facial expressions. Ethical and social considerations. With the rise of humanoid robots, ethical and social considerations come into play. As these robots become more human-like, it raises questions about privacy and data security. Humanoid robots may collect personal data, leading to concerns about privacy and data security. Clear guidelines and regulations should be established to protect individuals' information. Human-robot interaction. Defining appropriate boundaries and guidelines for human-robot interaction is important. Ensuring that the robots respect personal space and cultural norms is crucial for a positive user experience. Job displacement. The integration of humanoid robots in industries may lead to concerns about job displacement. Adequate measures should be taken to address the impact on the workforce and ensure a smooth transition. As we conclude our exploration of humanoid robots, we're witnessing an exciting era where technology merges with human-like characteristics. These robots have the potential to revolutionize various sectors, enhance human lives, and drive technological advancements. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. If you found this video informative, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. Stay tuned for more fascinating content.